Today we'll learn how to determine the charge on ions. Understanding this concept is crucial for chemistry and helps us predict how atoms will interact. Let's start with the key principles. The octet rule states that atoms tend to gain, lose, or share electrons to achieve a full valence shell of 8 electrons. When atoms gain electrons, they become negative ions called anions. When they lose electrons, they become positive ions called cations. Let's look at our first example, sodium. Sodium is in group 1 of the periodic table, which means it has one valence electron. To achieve a stable octet, sodium will lose this electron, becoming a sodium ion with a +1 charge, written as Na+. Now, let's look at chlorine. Chlorine is in group 17, meaning it has 7 valence electrons. To achieve an octet, chlorine will gain 1 electron, becoming a chloride ion with a -1 charge, written as Cl-. Let's summarize the steps to determine ion charges. First, identify the group number. Second, count the valence electrons. Third, determine if the atom needs to gain or lose electrons to reach 8. Finally, assign the charge based on electrons gained or lost. Let's look at one more example. Aluminum. Aluminum is in group 13 with 3 valence electrons. It loses all 3 electrons to achieve a stable configuration, becoming an aluminum ion with a +3 charge, written as Al3+. Understanding ion charges is essential for predicting chemical behavior and writing correct chemical formulas. Remember, the goal is always to achieve a stable electron configuration, typically following the octet rule.